Welcome back. Time for some Friday birthdays here in the 4 states. We're going to start in Walnut, Kansas with Aspen Sexton celebrating the big number 4. Happy birthday.
Lily Kreitz is celebrating birthday number 5 this year in Arma. Happy birthday, Lily.
And we've got Dylan Meisner celebrating number 25. Happy birthday, Dylan.
All right, and Kara Lanford is 29 in Joplin.
And we got Jacob LaRue celebrating birthday number 31 in Chanute. It just so happens Jacob is also the mayor of Chanute. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mayor LaRue. And Miss Barbara Duncan turning 74 years old this year. Looking great there, Barbara, in Crestline.
And we've got Michael Clyburn turning 75 in Galena. Happy birthday, Michael.
Joe and Beverly Cleason are celebrating their 51st anniversary in Erie, Kansas.
And Vernie and Barbara Broyles celebrating their 61st anniversary in Neosho.
And let's see, we've got Bob and Elma Hurt celebrating 70 years of wedded bliss. What a milestone for them. They're in Pittsburgh. They're celebrating actually today on Saturday with a come and go party at the Pittsburgh Presbyterian Church. It'll be from 2 to 4 on Saturday. Stop by and say hello.
And we've got Josh and Kelsey Westerhold celebrating their 11th anniversary in Sheldon. Happy anniversary.
Jason Beard is 45 years old this year. Jason is in Columbus.
Debbie Aubin celebrating a birthday in Riverton, and she's also the former business manager for KOAM. So very happy birthday, Debbie.
Aw, I miss you, Debbie. I hope you have a wonderful birthday. Greg Burton in Baxter Springs. Happy birthday.
And we've got Jonathan and Jessica Honschel celebrating their 5th anniversary in Carthage. Happy anniversary.
All right, and Maddox Ramsey celebrating birthday number 12 this year down in Miami, Oklahoma. Happy birthday from Mom, Harper, Jaden, and Nana.
And we've also got Billy and Kathy Parrish celebrating their 45th anniversary, our neighbors in Crestline. Happy anniversary to the Parishes.
Taking that picture, that throwback pic there. Love it. Dolores Hodge in Columbus. Happy birthday to you.
And we've got Lawrence and Debbie Burke celebrating their 39th anniversary in Joplin.
The Wilsons are celebrating their 28th anniversary. Congrats to Chris and Don out in Erie.
And David and Shani Hanley celebrating their 49th wedding anniversary in Joplin.
A lot of anniversaries today, I see.
Yeah, a lot of them.
Betty Jo Gardner turning 77 years old in Prescott, Kansas.
All right, that was a really good list, and of course we love to celebrate with you all. Tanya, where do they need to send their celebrations?
Keep on sending them to this email, whether it's a birthday or an anniversary. Send them to birthdays, with that S, birthdays, at KOAMnewsnow.com.
And of course, while you're on our website, make sure you take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You get a lot of special deals from local businesses. You also get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So make sure you take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today. All right, thunderstorms. We've got some chances for them across the area. And we have got the possibility of some strong, maybe even low-grade severe storms. Now, we've seen these strong, possibly severe thunderstorms across the region the last several days with these pop-up storms,